Next one, that is amoebic dysentery. Commonly we call that is amoebiasis disease, right? Amoebiasis, amoebic dysentery, you know, ant amoeba. कहीं पे लर्न किया था 11th में. Belongs to which one? Protozoan. Which protozoan? Amoeboid protozoan, right? Amoeboid protozoan and amoeba, which one? Histolytica, right? And amoeba histolytica, in that it's a which one? Protozoan. It enters the large intestine of human. Highlight. Small intestine किसका टारगेट था? Salmonella का. Typhoid. Which one? Salmonella, right? And the large intestine किसका टारगेट रहेगा? Entamoeba histolytica. Next one. This one when enter into large intestine. So large intestine के जो functions है वो disturb होंगे कि नहीं होंगे? Right? So first it leads to which one? Constipation, then abdominal pain and the cramps. Constipation in such a way that stool cannot, fecal matter cannot be able, that person cannot be able to pass that fecal matter outside, and that converts into solid hard stone like structure, and due to that this pain occur, abdominal pain and that cramps. The doctor check bhi karenge, touch karenge, then that person feels what so much pain over there, right? Next, stool with excess of mucus and which one? Blood clots. See, our alimentary canal entire is made up of muscles. Which muscles? Right, mainly which one? Smooth muscles are there. And smooth muscles के ऊपर वो coating है, right? Mucus का coating है. But here, if this much hard stool is formed, that stool cannot be able to pass outside. So during that, if that pass outside, sometimes in that large amount of mucus भी आता है इसके साथ, as well as which one? That's a blood clot. Because now see, it's convert into which one? Hard stone like stool. तो वो erode करता है with the alimentary wall canal, right? तो जो उसके minor capillaries होते हैं वहां पे वो break हो जाएंगे, and with that the blood that coming outside, right? Sometimes ulcers form होते हैं तभी भी ये होता है. So always अगर blood clots, it's not like that you are suffering from which one? Amoebiasis. The reasons can be vary. राइट वो हमें अपने आप डिसाइड नहीं करना होता है. फॉर दैट द एक्सपर्ट्स आर देयर, वी हैव टू टेक हेल्प ऑफ दैट, राइट? सो amoebic dysentery or the amoebiasis, in that remember constipation, abdominal pain, cramps, stool with the excess mucus and the blood clots. Next, amoebic dysentery, amoebiasis, for that the mechanical carrier or the vector is a which one? Houseflies. Houseflies, even cockroaches are also there, but in your book mention only human. That's a which one? Houseflies, है ना? Cockroach थोड़ी housefly खाते हो आप? तो simple है ना? That houseflies carries, right? Present in the which part? Sewage है, right? वहाँ पे ही वहाँ पे. So that houseflies carry that eggs of this organism and released into our food. And when we intake that kind of food, that enter into our system. Same for the cockroaches, right? Cockroaches को थोड़ी पता है कि ये हमारा food है तो नहीं जाना है वहाँ पे, है ना? So houseflies transmit the parasite from feces of infected person to water, food products, and the contaminate them. Right? So by the contamination of food and water, remember, इसका main spread क्या है? Infection spread through what? By the contamination of food and water. This disease get transmitted from one person to another with the help of carrier, with the help of mechanical carrier, that is houseflies, right? Its main target site is a right over there. अगर ये see one thing, that's the large intestine and amoeba histolytica, that's cause what? Proper digestion नहीं होगा, right? Over there. So it leads to the which one? In that's a constipation first, becomes a very hard stool over there. It leads to abdominal pain, right? Next, cramps and stool with the excess amount of what? Clots, blood clots, and the mucus, right? So this much you will have